What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing amazing. So today's video is going to be on this look which I created for Thanksgiving. Guys, can you guys believe it's almost at the end of the year? Like, I don't even remember 2021 and in the beginning and 2020 at all. Like, I don't know, time just flew by so fast for me. But anyways, so we are here for 2021 Thanksgiving and this is the look I created, and I think this look is very wearable and pretty easy to achieve. So yes, if you guys are interested, please keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for future videos. Alright guys, to start off the look, I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Hydrating Concealer to conceal my eyelids and prep it for eyeshadow, and then I'm just going to use a loose powder to set the base. You can use any powder or concealer or eyeshadow base you have for this step. So for eyeshadow, I decided to use the Illamasqua Unveiled Artistry palette. This palette has the perfect shades for this look. So first color I'm going to pick is this light brown. This palette doesn't have any names on them, which I don't like, but I'm just going to point it out so you can see which ones I'm using. So I'm just going to pack this color onto my crease to create the transition shade with a fluffy blending brush. Next, I'm picking up this brown shade again, and this brown is a little darker than the previous brown that I used, and I'm just going to pack that on top of the previous color to create a little more depth, and I'm just going to go back and forth until I build it up. Next, I'm picking up another brown color from the palette, and this is a little darker than the second color I used, and I'm just going to pack it onto my lids. So now I'm going to pick up the darkest brown from the palette. I know we are playing with a lot of browns here, but trust me, I just feel like browns make any look come together very nicely. So anyways, I'm putting that on to my crease and blending all the colors together. So now I'm picking up this shimmery shade from the palette and I'm going to pack it all over my lid. Lastly, I'm adding some black to my outer corner to give it some depth, and the palette did not have any black color, so I'm using one from MAC and I believe it's called Carbon. Without picking any more color, I'm using a blending brush to blend all the colors together. To tightline my eyes, I'm using the Artistry gel liner. I absolutely love this liner so much. It is so pigmented and it does not move anywhere. It's amazing. And also, please ignore my face here. I don't know, I cannot apply liner and mascara without making a funny face. Now applying my mascara, this is the L'Oreal Unlimited mascara. I absolutely love this one as well. So I'm putting a coat of this and I'm going to apply my lashes off the camera and I will be right back. Alright guys, I'm back, and now to start off my face makeup, I'm starting with priming my skin, and the primer I'm using is by Touch in Sol, and it is their No Problem Primer. It feels so good on the skin. It creates an amazing base for the foundation. I'm coming close to the camera to show you guys how beautiful it makes my skin look. For foundation, I'm going in with the Essence Pretty Natural Hydrating Foundation. This is my current favorite foundation, guys. I could not stop using it since the day I got it. It is so good, and the shade I'm using is called Neutral Suede. If you guys have not tried this, I would highly recommend you guys to try it. It is light to medium coverage, but you can build it up, but it gives such a nice finish to the skin. It looks like your skin, but you know, a better version. Definitely try this out if you have not. For concealer, I'm using the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I'm going to use a little bit of this in my inner and outer corner, a little bit on the bridge of my nose, forehead, cupid's bow, and my chin. And I'm going to let it sit for about 10 to 15 seconds. This way you will get a fuller coverage. After 10 to 15 seconds, I'm blending it out with the same sponge that I used on my face. This is the Wet n Wild sponge. I actually love it more than the Beauty Blender. It's way cheaper, and for me, it does a better job. To set under my eyes, I'm using this new Physicians Formula Butter Buddies collection. This is their banana powder. How cute is this whole collection? I'm obsessed with it, and the powders from these collections are really good. In general, Physicians Formula has really good powders, and yeah, this one just gives such a flawless finish under the eyes and prevents from creasing. Next, I'm going in with another product from the Butter Buddies collection by Physicians Formula. This is their illuminating powder. I absolutely love this. This just gives such a nice sheen to the skin. Sometimes these kind of powder might make you look too glittery or too shiny, but this gives the perfect amount of glow to the skin. For my brow today, I'm using this brow pencil by Benefit. I think I got it in one of my Ipsy bag. So nowadays, I like to fill in my brows starting from the outer corner and just fill in that part with the pencil. Then I like to go in with a brow gel like this. This is by Maybelline. This is their Brow Fast Sculpt brow gel, and I like to go in with that product just in the inner corner of my brows, because the brush in this just makes the hair look so much more natural than filling in with a pencil. Now I'm going to finish up the rest of my eyes, so I'm picking the same dark brown color from the palette and putting it in the lower lash line, kind of smudging it towards the inner corner, and then I'm putting the middle brown color and kind of smudging those two colors together so there's no harsh line. Now I'm picking up the same shimmer color that I put on my lids and putting it in my inner corner. To bronze up my skin, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Private Island bronzer, and I really like using it. It blends really well and it's just the perfect tone for my skin tone. For blush, I'm using the Miss Butterfly blush from the Butter Buddies collection by Physicians Formula. I know I'm using a lot of the products from this collection, but I've been really enjoying them for the last few days, so can't stop using it. For highlight today, I'm going in with the Essence Pure Nude highlighter. Guys, if you haven't tried this highlighter, you should. It is so inexpensive, but it is so good. It gives such a nice glow. It is not too too out there. It's not gonna give you any intense highlight, but it looks stunning on the skin. Finally, it's time to do the lips, so I'm going in with the Morphe Sugar Pie lip liner. Morphe has very good lip liners. In general, Morphe has all their products are really good and it is very affordable. So yeah, I enjoy using their lip liners a lot, and I'm just going to overline a little bit of my lip, and then I'm going to go in with a gloss. For lip gloss, I'm going in with the NYX Butter Gloss, and the shade I'm using is called Spiked Toffee. I wasn't a big fan of lip glosses before, but after I started using it, I have changed. I'm using lip glosses on a daily basis now, and this color is just so perfect for even every day, and I think it will go with all skin types. This lip gloss is amazing. And for the last step, I'm going in with the Absolute New York setting spray and spraying it all over. So this is the final look. Hope you guys enjoyed, and if you decide to try this look during Thanksgiving, definitely share with me on Instagram. And yes, I will see you next time. Till then, hope you all have a great Thanksgiving. Bye.